So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change. 'Cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Love, those who have faith in you sometimes go astray. Love, through all the ups and downs, the joys and hurts. Love, for better or worse, I still will choose you first. Oh, oh, oh. Many days I've longed for you, wanting you, hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss, for your touch, to feel your presence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do, felt like I could die from the thought of losing you. I know that you're real, with no doubts and no fears and no questions.
Alright guys, it's lunchtime. Eating up some leftover chili from last night. That's what I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm probably gonna have like some wheat crackers with it on the side. So yeah, I'm gonna have that, and then with this kombucha, it's called the Holiday Cheer. I think this might be a new flavor. I have not tried it, but this is what I'm gonna have with my lunch. Yeah. Alright guys, PJ and I just got back from our walk. He is having his lunch before his nap. I'm about to fix me some yogurt, I think. I'm gonna make a little yogurt parfait. While we were out, I stopped in Trader Joe's. I realized that I've never been to a Trader Joe's before. There was one in Cincinnati, but I just never went. People would always say, Shauna, you should go to Trader Joe's, you should go to Trader Joe's. And I was always just like, I went in there because I wanted to get some pumpkin seeds. They're pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds, and I'm gonna have those with the pumpkin raviolis that I got from Target that I shared with you guys. So I'm going to sprinkle those on top for a little crunch, maybe drizzle a little honey on it. I think that'll be a nice little lunch. I was gonna put them in my yogurt, but I was like, no, I have that pumpkin granola that I'm gonna put in there. I'm just gonna put like some walnuts on top. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do now. And then I'll probably come back when I make my lunch. Show you guys that. So yeah, that's what we got going on. All right guys, almost 2 o'clock. I'm getting ready to make my lunch. So these are the honey pumpkin goat cheese raviolis that I'm gonna make. I'll probably do about 5 or 6 raviolis and probably add like some Parmesan cheese. I've been snacking on these. They're so good, y'all. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a few of these on top just to give a little texture to them, but they're sweet, so I like sweet and savory, so this is like the perfect combo for me. I'm gonna go ahead and get my water boiled. I think that's what it says. Yeah, so I'm gonna boil some salted water and then get these in, and it only takes 5 minutes, it says, so perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and whip this up and then I'll show you guys how it looks plated. All right, y'all, so just got back in. As you can see, I got my hair done. I picked up some packages before I came in, and I want to share with you guys. In the beginning of this vlog, I ordered myself some to-go cups for my morning coffees that I drink when I drop my son off at school in the morning. I picked these up, and you get, I think you get like 50, and they come with lids too. So y'all know I love coffee experience. Yes, I could get the reusable ones, but I like these, and I can recycle these. They are just like a matte black, and it has like this like ribbed detailing. The lids are just regular like black lids. So yeah, my clean skin towels came in. I do have a subscription. I've mentioned it here to you guys before. I just get 2 boxes every, is it 60 days or 90 days? I can never remember. They just always alert me when they're about to ship out the new box. And I just do 2 boxes at a time. And I do have a discount code linked below if you guys are interested in the Clean Skin Towel Club. I highly recommend. I've been using them for years and I have not looked back. So I went on Gap and ordered a few things. So I got him these joggers. They come in a pack of 2, and you get this tan camel color. Everything I ordered for him is in a 40. Fingers crossed this all fits. Olive green and khaki color. Then I got him a navy blue and gray pair. Little Gap bear there, super cute. And then here's the gray pair. So got him those. I just don't believe in putting like small babies and kids in jeans and button-ups and stuff unless it's a special occasion, but just on a day-to-day, I'm not putting my baby on jeans. Like, that's just so uncomfortable. So my kids are always in joggers unless it's a special occasion or a special outing and they need to look, you know, a little more did up. But for the most part, this is their standard uniform. And I got this pullover, little zip up pullover, super cute. I got this to match these pants. Now, it's not an exact match. That's okay because I can mix and match with this because the little brown bear there will match the tan. And then While this is not a perfect match, it's not a fashion show around here. I just like for my boys to look, you know, put together. And then I just got him this pack of 3 just plain basic t-shirts to mix and match. Just some long sleeve baby Gap t-shirts. So I got white, gray, and navy. Super cute. I like they have the little bear there. And again, everything is in a 4T. And then I got him a coat or a jacket, coat jacket as well. So cute. And it is a fleece lined jacket, so super warm and perfect for fall, winter. And you can reverse it and he can wear it on this side like this. So I just thought that was super cute and very versatile. And yeah, I also ordered him and Steph some stuff off Zara, which should be coming here soon too. Okay, when their stuff comes in from Zara, I'll share that stuff with you too. But yeah, I didn't want to get anything too big because when babies are in car seats, you don't really want them to have on a super thick, puffy coat because you want the car seat to fit properly. So I just thought this would be perfect for that. And plus, when we're out walking and it's cold, he has a stroller cover that keeps him warm. So he doesn't really need like a big winter coat. He will once he starts school and things like that and he's out more. But for now, this will work. And I just think it's super cute. So yeah, I'll leave all the Gap stuff below for you guys because they have the cutest stuff for like toddler, boys, and girls. If you're looking for stuff for your kids, cute little just like simple basics. Also, didn't share this with you guys, but I picked up some goodies from Jo Malone. If you saw my Instagram stories, you already know what it is. But yeah, you guys will see what I got in the next video, if it's not already up by the time this vlog goes up, because I don't know when I'm putting this vlog up. It's kind of just going on and on and on, and I don't want it to be long because I'm trying to keep my vlogs to a minimum. That's everything that I got in that I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.